Alright guys, well, I ordered some solder paste and some tweezers, and because I didn't get any of that with that, so we've got another one of these that we need to mess with, and we've got this Hermes light that we need to fix, and so all that's going to require a surface mount. The other SDR play took some RF to the front end and it popped these little surface mount diodes. So what I'm going to do is I probably have to open this one, compare the ones in here, just see if I can find some like general surface mount diodes in my parts bin, and then remove them and then install them, and then I can have the other SDR play. This was a bonus deal that I got when I bought these two radios here. Actually got quite the deal. I ended up with the well, I could have got a lot more, but the guy was kind of a pain. He wasn't a ham. Anyway, it was from a nicotine stained QTH, I guess. He had the two radios, a signal link, a power supply, this, and the MFJ SDR switch, and ended up getting this and the SDR switch, but I couldn't get the signal link out of him or the power supply. So, but I got all that for $700, so I thought that was okay. I did have to buy parts for the icon because one of the knobs was busted off. I had to buy the what did I have to buy? Oh, the twin PBT knob was snapped off, so it's actually a pretty important thing. So the center pot was busted, which is a little brass, and you can't do anything with it. Anyway, I've got that coming up. I'm looking at these boards here, and I'm like, oh man, you know, maybe I should just order one of these. I was looking at one earlier, not this one, but a different one, and it shows you in detail, I guess, all the little circuits that are on it. So you get a low pass filter that you can test, and I guess so. The low pass, high pass, a band pass filter, a band stop filter, and then some other stuff to do with SWR and impedance. A capacitor, an inductor, and the Chinese came up with their very own resistor. An LC circuit, an LCR circuit, a what is that? So that one's got a capacitor, a resistor, and an inductor. That one's got a capacitor and an inductor and a resistor, but the capacitor and inductor are in parallel with the resistor, whereas this other one, so I don't know what you call those type of filters, but apparently you're going to get this goofy thing here is what it's going to look like. And apparently if you use the Nano VNA, it should show you this picture, I guess. Interesting. So we could measure a filter with the Nano VNA. Is that what I'm getting here? Interesting. We have attenuator, and a load. I mean, I don't know if you should order this or not, but I guess if you have this board, then you would kind of understand how to calibrate the Nano VNA to do other tests. So I thought that was kind of cool. So I really cannot afford to keep ordering things like $9 for a thing of solder, $5 for some tweezers, $50 for this, $10 for that. It's like, oh man. Anyway, this here also has some stuff on the back. These little snap fit things, I don't know what they call them. They use them in like wireless routers. I've got some laying around somewhere. This is pretty cool, though. I really didn't even know what the hell this was. I saw these other ones where I thought you were, like, supposed to solder things to them. So, pretty neat.